So this is the Hacking STEM Brain Impact Simulator. It's connected to Arduino, so this is this version. Watch how it works. This pendulum with the swinging ball is weighted. It's going to connect with the skull of the brain in this box. The brain itself is loaded with sensors that are pressure sensitive. They're all labeled and color coded. They then are plugged into the Arduino, connected to this laptop. And using an Excel spreadsheet created by Hacking STEM, we're going to show how we can measure brain impact and also what areas affected by the brain will have consequential results. So I'm going to probably go at about 90-degree angle, and we're going to connect with the box, which this would be the frontal lobe. You can see the information registers immediately on the screen. Ready? And then I save the trial here. And you can see what areas of the brain would be hit. So even though I hit the frontal lobe, it's actually the left temporal that took the most hit, and this is what would happen as a consequence of that impact.